Hey, what's up, Internet? So about 6 months ago, I bought Roof-Gard 700 white coating, and I put it on my roof, and here's the update. I'll link the original review in the eye in the corner of the screen. Okay, so you can see it's a little wet outside, but here's the roof. I haven't done anything to it since I've been up there and put the coating on. And yeah, it's not like peeling or anything. You can tell where I missed in some spots on the edge there. But yeah, I kind of just wanted to get this stuff up there because it was sitting in my car for a while. I can see the bucket. I still have the bucket in the backyard. That's great. The roof used to get a lot warmer in the summertime. And when I put this stuff on, it made it a lot cooler compared to what it was. Not bad. I do have one area where there's like a standing puddle. It says don't apply it to where there's areas like that. It's still working. I think there's some dirt built-up, but yeah. Anyway, if you're looking into possibly buying this stuff, there's a 6-month update. This is in Maryland, so it's pretty humid outside a lot most of the time. But yeah, I would not hesitate buying this stuff again and putting it on the roof. All right, well, I hope that helped. See you later, Internet.